Arrive in style with this Jeep 2010 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 6R to order code, remote start, black easy folding soft top with sunroof feature, 24-hour customer preferred order selection package included, 3.8L V6 engine 4-speed auto trans, flame red, 3.8 LOH V12 valve SMPI V6 engine, STD, trailer tow group included, Class 2 receiver hitch trailer sway damping 4-pin trailer connector wiring, LT255/75R17 off-road BSW tires, STD, and supplemental front seat side airbags. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important